What if you could defeat your enemies without ever lifting a finger? Imagine having the power to outsmart, outlast, and outmaneuver those who stand against you all without direct conflict. These 13 Stoic principles are not about brute force, they're about mastering your mind, your emotions, and your reactions. By the end, you'll know how to turn your enemy's aggression against them, leaving them powerless while you remain in control, ready to learn how to win every battle without fighting. Let's break down these timeless strategies that give you the upper hand in any situation. Individual now, if you are new here, please like the video and subscribe. Statistics show that only 6% of my audience is subscribed to the channel, so if this content has helped you in any way, I ask you to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now let's start. 13 Stoic ways to defeat your enemy without fighting them. Introduction. In a world filled with conflicts and confrontations, it is natural to encounter enemies or individuals who oppose us. However, the true mark of strength lies not in physical combat, but in the ability to overcome our enemies without resorting to violence. This is where the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and the philosophy of Stoicism come into play. Stoicism, a school of thought that originated in ancient Greece, teaches us to cultivate inner peace, resilience, and virtue in the face of adversity. In this article, we will explore 13 Stoic ways to destroy your enemy without fighting them, drawing inspiration from the teachings of Marcus Aurelius, one of history's greatest Stoic philosophers. 1. Cultivate inner strength and resilience. The first step in destroying your enemy without fighting them is to focus on cultivating your own inner strength and resilience. Stoicism teaches us that true power lies in our ability to control our own thoughts, emotions, and reactions. By developing a strong and resilient mindset, we can rise above the actions and words of our enemies, rendering them powerless. 2. Practice emotional detachment. Emotional detachment is a key principle. In Stoicism, it involves learning to detach ourselves from the opinions and actions of others, including our enemies. By not allowing their words or actions to affect us emotionally, we can maintain a sense of calm and clarity, making it easier to strategize and find effective ways to neutralize their influence. 3. Focus on virtue and morality. Stoicism places a strong emphasis on virtue and morality. By focusing on being virtuous in our own actions and interactions, we can set an example for others and undermine the influence of our enemies by embodying qualities such as honesty, integrity, and compassion. We can inspire others to question the motives and intentions of our adversaries. 4. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection. Mindfulness and self-reflection are powerful tools in the Stoic arsenal. By practicing mindfulness, we can become more aware of our own thoughts, emotions, and reactions, allowing us to respond to our enemies in a calm and measured manner. Self-reflection, on the other hand, enables us to identify our own weaknesses and areas for improvement, making us less susceptible to the tactics and strategies of our adversaries. 5. Choose your battles wisely. Not every battle is worth fighting. Stoicism teaches us the importance of choosing our battles wisely. Instead of engaging in every conflict that comes our way, we should evaluate the situation and determine whether it is truly worth our time and energy. By exercising discernment and restraint, we can conserve our resources and focus on more important matters. 6. Practice nonreactivity. Reacting impulsively to the actions of our enemies only gives them power over us. Stoicism teaches us to practice nonreactivity, to remain calm and composed in the face of provocation. By refusing to engage in a reactive cycle, we can disrupt the power dynamic and maintain control over our own emotions and actions. 7. Use the power of silence. Silence can be a powerful weapon against our enemies. By refusing to engage in unnecessary arguments or confrontations, we can create a void that our enemies cannot fill. Silence can be disarming, leaving our adversaries without a target for their attacks and forcing them to reconsider their own actions. 8. Practice empathy and understanding. Stoicism encourages us to practice empathy and understanding even towards our enemies. By seeking to understand their motivations and perspectives, we can gain insight into their actions and find ways to address their concerns without resorting to conflict. This approach can lead to unexpected alliances and resolutions that benefit both parties. 9. Foster positive relationships. Building positive relationships with others can be a powerful way to undermine the influence of our enemies. By cultivating a network of supportive and like-minded individuals, we can create a strong foundation of allies who can help us overcome the challenges posed by our adversaries. These relationships can provide us with emotional support, strategic advice, and alternative perspectives. 10. Focus on personal growth and development. Personal growth and development are central to Stoic philosophy. By continuously striving to improve ourselves, we can become better equipped to face the challenges presented by our enemies. By focusing on our own growth and development, we can render their attempts to undermine us irrelevant as we become stronger and more resilient with each passing day. 11. Practice forgiveness and letting go. Forgiveness and letting go are powerful acts of liberation. By forgiving our enemies and letting go of any resentment or anger, we free ourselves from the emotional burden that their actions may have placed upon us. This act of forgiveness not only weakens their hold over us, but also allows us to move forward with a clear mind and a renewed sense of purpose. 12. Led by example. Marcus Aurelius, known for his leadership as a Roman emperor, believed in leading by example. By embodying the principles of Stoicism and demonstrating virtuous behavior, we can inspire others to follow suit. Our enemies may be swayed by our actions and begin to question their own beliefs and actions, leading to a potential transformation in their behavior. 13. Seek peaceful resolutions. Finally, Stoicism teaches us to seek peaceful resolutions whenever possible. Instead of escalating conflicts and resorting to violence, we should strive to find common ground and negotiate peaceful solutions. By approaching our enemies with a willingness to understand and compromise, we can diffuse tensions and create opportunities for resolution and reconciliation. Thank you for joining me today at Stoic Life Journal. Remember, every step towards mastering your emotions is a step towards a more peaceful life. Don't forget to check out one of the suggested videos on your screen to continue your journey in Stoicism together.